Welcome to Left Brain Law of Attraction. I'm Dan Walper, and this is today's frequently asked question. Today's question is, how long does it take to attract what I want? Yeah, you just have to keep going because there is no set time for how long something takes to attract it. Exactly the same as planting a seed in the ground, it takes time to grow. And you don't really know how long it takes to grow until it's ready to blossom and harvest. So you have to just keep feeding it with love every day and let it grow. All right, that's today's frequently asked question. If you have any of your own questions, please let me know. I'd be happy to help. And if you'd like to learn more, you can check out my book at bestlawofattractionbook.com. And remember to just keep going. You're doing a really good job. Thank you so much. Take care.